In a previous video, I introduced the Sumproduct function, which once you learn the basics, it's very, very useful. So let's just quickly review what we did last time, and then I'll get into today's lesson. Let's go over to, where was it? Over here. And the question was, what are the total sales for April? So as you see, we don't have total sales here. We have sales price and we have units sold. So we'd have to multiply those to get the total sales. But we don't want it for all the different months. We just want it for April. So there's different lines with the month of April because there's different products, just some sample data. So the first thing is, let's go down here. Where's my mouse? Here it is. Column C, which is where we have the months, from row 11 to row 20, that has to equal April. When that's true, as we can see here, we've got 1, 2, 3 of them. Then what the sum product is going to do is say, when it's true, take the value from column D, multiply it by the value in column E, and then add them all up together because it's the sum of the different products. So we get 3 times 12, 36, 4 times 15, 60, 5 times 10, 50. You add all those up and you get 146, which we see right here. So I had a question from someone saying, can we also just get the total units sold for April? So if you're familiar with other functions, this is like the sum if. If the month column is April, I want to get units sold. We can also do that over here with the sum product. So here I have put the text of the formula as a comment, or no, basically an apostrophe. Let me show you actually. Go in here. I put the little apostrophe and I pasted the text from the formula. Here's the formula right there. So I just put it over here to make it easy to read. So let's review this one. How does this work? Same thing here. If column C equals April, or APR, I have it in double quotes as it's a text. If that's true, then just give me the numbers from column E. Simple as that. So here we have the April 3 times, and I just want the 12, the 15, and the 10. Add those 3 up, and of course we get 37. So one other comment, what if I just want to get the product of all of these multiplied by each other? So that's basically saying it doesn't even matter what the month is over here. I just want to multiply these all the way down and then add them up. Now, of course, we could do a formula all the way across the top like this. 3 equals D11 multiplied by E11. Press enter. And then when you put hover the mouse in the bottom right-hand corner of a cell, see how the cursor changes? It gets a little bit thinner. We could drag this down all the way. Then at the very bottom, it's a little bit hard to see, but then we could just say equals sum, open bracket. I select all of these cells. I put the closing bracket, and I press enter. Now it's a little bit hard to see, but that is, let me just erase this. That's 527. Control B to bold it, and Control underline to underline it, or Control U, sorry. So that's what we get here, 527. Just simply multiplying, let's go back to this, multiplying all the numbers in column D by the number in column E. After doing all that, just add them all up. That's 527 in one single step, instead of doing all of this up here.